5 seconds to go. Ready? Start. There is no doubt with regard to the principle enunciated in the above decision with regard to the discretion vested in the authorities in case of confiscation of the seized stock, full stop. The primary purpose of levying penalty of contravention of the rules or the conditions of the license is to make the licensee to be aware of the fact that in the event he is caught red-handed while indulging in unfair methods, there would be severe punishment, full stop. The purpose of levying the penalty is to make the levy a deterrent and not to treat the punishment as retributive, full stop. The principle undoubtedly underlying the levy of the penalty is to make it a deterrent factor so that the offense may not be repeated, full stop. The past conduct of the person concerned is certainly a relevant factor determining what amount of penalty would be appropriate, full stop. It is clearly established that the manager of the mill has resorted to the unfair method of tampering with the waybills and also the stock register, and he came out with a false explanation, that too a belated one, full stop, that the excess stock is the produce from the agricultural land held by his wife, full stop, para. There are all the factors to be taken into consideration for levying the penalty, full stop. Certainly, these facts weighed with the authorities below to order confiscation of the seized stocks, full stop. Section 6A of the Essential Commodities Act does not make it obligatory upon the authorities finding a person guilty of contravention of the act, order or conditions of license to confiscate the entire stock, full stop. The authority may order confiscation of the entire stock or may not order confiscation of the entire stock at all, full stop. The order of confiscation is a judicial order which is subject to an appeal before the learned appellate authority and revision to this court, and the authorities have to apply their mind at the time of the seizure, full stop. The manager of the mill is found to be indulging in clandestine business by tampering with the waybills and also the stock register, and therefore, the authorities below are perfectly justified in confiscating the entire stock, full stop. If it is found that the contravention is a trivial one, it does not warrant confiscation of the entire stock unless the authorities determine that a distinction can be drawn between unintended contravention and deliberate acts of holding, black marketing and clandestine transactions, full stop. Since the authorities have come to the conclusion that the contravention is a very severe one, this court feels that the manager of the mill cannot invoke the jurisdiction of this court under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for the purpose of reduction in the quantum of confiscation, full stop. There are no merits in the present writ petition and it is liable to be dismissed, full stop. No order as to costs, full stop. Over. Friends, ये हो गया. कमेंट कीजिएगा अच्छा बुरा जो भी हो. रिक्वायरमेंट्स अपनी बताइएगा. आउटलाइंस की वीडियोस मैं जैसा कि बता चुका हूं मैं वीकेंड्स में डालूंगा. उसके अलावा अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा. बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबा दीजिएगा ताकि लेटेस्ट अपडेशन आपको मिले. इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर कीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में मिलते हैं. बाय बाय.